So I'm here at Invictus Active today to show you the brand new Fusion Wheel, the all-in-one gym for wheelchair users. So what do you actually get in the Fusion Wheel? Well, you get 2 tension bands, one low, one high, Fusion Wheel handles, a Fusion bar, power pulleys, and door anchors, and a stick guide to be able to put it up on the doors as well. You get an instructor's manual and a carry case. How does the Fusion Wheel work? Well, you've got these little tabs on each attachment, and you simply pass it into your push rim, through the other side, and that's basically how you attach it. So now we've got the Fusion Wheel set up on the chair, I'm going to show you 5 simple exercises that you can do at home. I'm going to start with the shoulder press. So all we do is have it here and press above our head. So the next exercise I'm going to be showing you is the chest press with the Fusion bar, and this is as easy as it gets. So now we're all set up on both bands, and we're just going to literally do a chest press forward. Show you exercise number 3 now, a lateral raise. So you can do these with both at the same time, but if you have trouble with balance, just do one at a time. And literally all it is . So exercise 4, we're going to do the tricep extension. We're just going to come up here, get your elbows to the ceiling, and let you go up. So now we're going to do exercise 5, the crossover. First 250 purchases of the Fusion Wheel from the Invictus Active website, you will get a 30-minute free session with myself. All you have to do is click the link below and fill out the form.